Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna.
All right, here is my s'mores tree. Don't mind my dog who thinks he's a cat, but here we go. So the tree topper on my tree is a custom-made tree topper that I actually made this year. And it was part of the Surebonder box challenge. They sent me a box of random supplies, and that is what I created. Because I've always wanted one. I have not been able to find a tree topper by this company, so I just made one. And then he's holding a little toasted, like it's actually realistic looking, s'mores ornament that I got at a little boutique in Brenham, Texas. So there is my topper. And then the entire tree is filled with s'mores ornaments. So let me show you some of them. And I'm not joking. They have literally, I'm sorry, I'm like not good at this whole vloggy style. They literally have a s'mores ornament for everything. So let me back this up. There we go. You got your little guitar player. This is a little thank you for your service, military. Little nativity scene. A golfer. This guy's been with me for quite a while. His nose has been broken over the years. I need to make him a new one. What is that? Oh, this is my little DIY. You got yourself popcorn. I mean, I'm telling you, there's teacher, there's lights up here, cupcakes. Now, Hobby Lobby does sell a small collection of these, but other than that, the only other places I found them are Amazon and eBay. Boutiques used to carry them, but all of the little boutique shops in my area stopped doing it, so I don't know. They have dated ones for each year. They've got different states. Firefighter, I don't know. So there you go. It's filled with those. This is like the original ornament right here. It's just a plain little s'mores dude. So then the only other things I added to it was just a little bit of wired burlap ribbon, some marshmallows. This string I got from Hobby Lobby a while back, and they do have them this year. I saw them at Hobby Lobby. I just tied some random little strips of burlap. This is the Dollar Tree burlap, if you can't tell it phrase, but I was okay with that look. And then the only other thing I added were these brown ornaments to kind of represent the chocolate. And then I just tied some tan to represent the graham cracker and white fabric to the tops of them. And then that's it. That's it for this tree as far as on the tree. And then let me show you what's going on down at the bottom. So give me a second, I'll reposition and show you what I made for the bottom. Okay, so here is the bottom of the tree. It's just sitting on a red and white striped tree skirt, but my mom is going to make me a custom s'mores tree skirt. I'm super excited. And a couple of weeks ago, I got the score of a lifetime. I went to my local thrift store here, and they had 2 of these s'mores pillows for $1. His nose was broken off, so I just made him a new nose out of felt. But I couldn't believe it. I'm like that's just a random item. I mean, I don't know many people who have s'mores as their Christmas decor. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. And then this is one of the burlap presents I made a couple years ago. I did just do a tutorial on how I do those. And then I just wrapped some regular, Amazon boxes in the Dollar Tree brown paper and added some Dollar Tree embellishments. And that, I just cut some of the burlap fabric and put that there. And then the only other thing I need to do is from Buc-ee's. If you know what Buc-ee's is in Texas, I found this little towel, and it's from the original Smores company, and it's their toasted. They just started this about, I don't know, 2 years ago. These are sassy s'mores. That's all I can think of. Now, this isn't a sassy one, but some of the other towels were really sassy, and you can kind of tell by their faces. They're just a little on the grumpy, sassy side. So I was originally going to get this and try to make a tree skirt, but then I was like, what am I talking about? So then I decided I'm just going to make this into a little throw pillow, and I'll add it down here. And then of course I have the little s'mores mug that you can find at Hobby Lobby, but I don't put that with my tree because that would just be weird. But anyway, there you go, guys. This is my little s'mores tree, and probably my most favorite tree, since I just have been collecting these for over 20 years, and I don't know, I just really, really like it. So there we go. That's the first tree down. 7 more to show you guys. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really, really appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.